KSoft by HAUX is the next step up for the NU and SZ machines you have already running. More customizations, more options, and live previews will improve your workflow and save you valuable time. KSoft replaces your old eSoft installation and offers many more features, improving, detailing, and speeding up your calculations. There are various extensions available, and if you have more requirements for basic features or system integration, our software team is happy to consult you and work out an individual offer for the development. Optional upgrades include MTS integration with 3D tool simulation, as well as assisted or automatic profile correction using imported DXF files of the measured actual wheel. The 3D upgrade integrates MTS and lets you generate a 3D simulation of your tool, giving you an even more in-depth experience pre-checking your calculations and tool and wheel dimensions. The basic version of profile correction lets you import your measured wheel profile in DXF format and manually overlay the contour on your calculated profile and then adjust it to match them so a corrected profile can be generated. The Pro version automates this process. The Tool Selection tab lets you choose different tools, drills, taps, special tools, or templates. A preview is shown on the right side. On the Data Input tab, you can define the parameters of your tool, like number of flutes, flute length, and angles. Changes directly show in the Preview field. The generated flute profile can be inspected and adjusted. Single points can be deleted, for example, to split the profile in segments. You can also add and adjust extensions to the profile on both sides. Using the Wheel Profile tab, you can calculate and display the wheel profile matching the workpiece profile. If you find any undesired overlaps or errors in the wheel profile, you can use the Alter Wheel Profile tab, which offers the same tools as the Flute Profile editor, but including some additional tools like profile reduction. For smoother pantograph movements, the profile can be approximated by using smoother arcs, for example. The program also indicates inconsistencies in the contour. KSoft gives you all the freedom you need to generate the result you want and helps you optimize your grinding process and tool quality. Using profile simulation, it is possible to predict to what extent the calculated or machined wheel profile corresponds to the desired workpiece profile. The Check tab lets you simulate and verify the dressability of the generated profile using adjustable dresser dimensions. For pantograph dressing, the program also generates the profile for the template and even compares it to previously generated templates. If a sufficiently identical template is found, it will be selected under Store Template. Templates can be exported in DXF format for production purposes. In the Compare Target to Actual tab, you can choose between Flute Profile or Grinding Wheel Profile. You can now either import a .dxf file or manually create the desired profile by combining different line segments. Each segment can be defined using the coordinates of its start and end point, as well as its radius for concave segments. On the Output tab, you can select what values and profiles you would like to export. Under Settings, you can change language and define many parameters that vary from machine to machine and optimize the program for your setup. You can also define the data to be included in the output files. KSoft is available in English, German, and Spanish. Additional languages can be added upon request. If you wish to learn more about KSoft, our software team is happy to help and can give you a remote demonstration of the features you're interested in. Many of our customers have already upgraded to KSoft, which solved various problems and difficulties they had before.